Imagine a world shaped by kindness and understanding. That's the world the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, envisioned. As a mercy to all beings, his character shines bright, full of gentleness, forgiveness, and humility. How can we embody that spirit today? Think about this. Every small act of kindness creates ripples of mercy. Just like the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us even a smile can brighten someone's day. Forgiveness isn't just a lofty idea, it's a powerful action. When someone wrongs us, responding with grace can break cycles of negativity. His humility was evident in all he did, reminding us that we're all equal. Let's carry that forward, treating everyone with respect, regardless of their background. It's time to reflect even a drop of the Prophet's, peace be upon him, mercy in our daily lives. Approach each day with an open heart, and let's spread compassion together. Remember, your small acts can inspire big changes.